Alright, so we're running out of food out here. Been out here nearly 5 weeks, so we're going to cook bacon and eggs, but we're going to make scrambled eggs, put an onion in it. Got some grated cheese, which I prepared earlier in the Thermomix. When I say earlier, I mean like 5 weeks ago. We're going to have to check the eggs to make sure they're good to eat, but we'll cut all this up. Put him in our fry pan, get that going, and see how this turns out. So before you start chucking everything in the fry pan, you want to hit it with some canola spray here. This is canola spray from Aldi, I won't get this one again. It doesn't work on ants like the one from Coles does. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my other video called How to Deal with Ants in the Outback. Right, so I'm chopping this up and then we'll get to cooking it on our fire over there. Alright, so these eggs have been kicking around for, I don't know, weeks. Darlene gave them to me. Thanks, Darls, for the eggs. Bloody crows keep pinching mine. Anyway, they've been in my car for a long time and not sure if they're good or not. So I remember this trick, right? You put the egg in a cup of water, and if it sinks, it means it's good. That one's good to go. Yep, that one will be good. Looks like we're going to get rained on while we do this. Oh yeah, that one's definitely not good. Good. 3 eggs. We need to find a cup to beat them up in. And then all this is ready. Chuck that on the fire. Stir it around a bit, hopefully it doesn't rain too much. Try not to get ash in it. Gonna get ash in it anyway, joys of being in the bush. Looking good. Right, now we've got our eggs. Oh shit, don't crack them in my pocket. Yep, they look good. 1. 2. This last egg's a big bastard. Hopefully it's a double yolker. No, it's just a big bastard. Right, 3. Now you just want to beat them up. Believe it or not, I actually did a course on hospitality in school. Alright, starting to rain good. More eggs definitely would have been good. Because, you know, it's a pretty big pan full of bacon and onion there. But we'll just try and spread all the eggs through. And then put the cheese on once it's done, bit of salt and pepper. It'll be pretty bloody good. You just got to make sure all this stuff cooks first, because the egg don't take long to cook. Right, it's going to take a bit longer. Okay, so we're going to tip this egg in now. Obviously, a bit more egg would be good. Want to mix that all in. Now if you're at home, you can put in like mushrooms, tomatoes even, and it's good on toast, but because we've been out here for like 5 weeks, obviously we don't have any bread. But yeah, it's a good, quick, easy meal, nice and tasty. I know my kids love it when I cook them this. Just mix it all up, and then once it's done, you put the cheese on. Right, that'll take a bit of cooking yet. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Right, so as you see now, I've had a whole bunch of cheese. Just want to mix all that in. That all melted cheese is good. It doesn't look the best, but this is going to be a pretty tasty feed. And that's scrambled eggs in the bush, just need salt and pepper. I gotta say, these are pretty bloody good bacon and eggs. Just what you need after a hard day of finding gold.